How to use spontaneous muscle relaxation technique, SMRT, to reduce tension and increase well-being. Welcome back to MedTube. In today's video, we're diving deep into a fascinating topic that holds the potential to transform the way we understand and manage muscle tension and pain: the spontaneous muscle release technique. If you've ever wondered about an effective, natural way to release muscle tension and alleviate discomfort, this video is a must-watch. We'll introduce you to the technique, explain how it works, and provide compelling evidence for its effectiveness. So, let's get started on this journey of muscle relaxation and rejuvenation. Understanding the spontaneous muscle release technique. The spontaneous muscle release technique, or SMRT for short, is a remarkable approach to releasing muscle tension and promoting overall well-being. Unlike traditional massage or stretching, SMRT is a unique method that focuses on working with the body's innate wisdom to encourage spontaneous release. Developed by experienced therapists, this technique blends science and intuition, making it a powerful tool for both professionals and individuals seeking relief from muscle-related issues. How does SMRT work? SMRT operates on a simple yet profound principle: the body knows best. It recognizes that muscle tension often arises due to the body's protective mechanisms. When muscles contract and stay tight, they can cause discomfort and limit our range of motion. SMRT understands that forcing muscles to relax might not always be the best approach. Instead, SMRT encourages the body to release tension on its own terms. Practitioners use gentle, strategic positioning and movements to stimulate the body's proprioceptors, which are sensory receptors responsible for our sense of body position. By engaging these receptors, SMRT communicates with the nervous system, signaling it to let go of tension and stress naturally. The evidence behind SMRT. Now, let's explore the evidence supporting the effectiveness of the spontaneous muscle release technique. Clinical success stories. Numerous individuals who have experienced SMRT report significant relief from various muscle-related issues. Whether it's chronic pain, limited mobility, or sports injuries, the technique has demonstrated its ability to address a wide range of conditions. Scientific understanding. The concept of proprioception and its role in muscle tension is well established in scientific literature. SMRT leverages this understanding to facilitate natural muscle release. Research into proprioceptive neuromuscular facilitation (PNF) techniques, which share similarities with SMRT, also underscores the effectiveness of these approaches. Professional endorsement. Many massage therapists, physical therapists, and healthcare professionals have incorporated SMRT into their practices due to its proven results. Their endorsement reflects the technique's growing acceptance within the healthcare community. Patient testimonials. Countless individuals have shared their positive experiences with SMRT online and in person. These testimonials highlight the technique's ability to provide relief where other methods may have fallen short. Now, let's do 3 SMRT exercises. SMRT is typically performed by trained professionals, such as massage therapists or physical therapists, who have a deep understanding of anatomy and the technique itself. However, here are some simplified examples of how certain SMRT principles can be applied to common muscle groups for self-care or to better understand the process. Neck and shoulder tension release. Step 1. Sit or stand comfortably with your spine straight. Step 2. Place your hands on your shoulders, fingers in front and thumbs behind. Step 3. Gently squeeze your shoulders while taking a deep breath in. Step 4. As you exhale, release the squeeze and let your shoulders drop. Step 5. Repeat this process, gradually increasing the pressure as your muscles relax. This simple technique mimics the principles of SMRT by engaging the proprioceptors in the shoulder muscles, encouraging them to relax. Hamstring release. Step 1. Sit on the floor with one leg extended straight and the other leg bent, foot against the inner thigh of your extended leg. Step 2. Place your hands on the extended leg's thigh. Step 3. Gently press your hands into the thigh while taking a deep breath in. Step 4. As you exhale, release the pressure and try to extend your leg a little further. Step 5. Continue this process, gradually increasing the stretch as your hamstring releases tension. This approach incorporates SMRT principles by working with your body's proprioceptive feedback to safely lengthen the hamstring muscle. Forearm and wrist relief. Step 1. Extend your arm in front of you, palm facing down. Step 2. Use your opposite hand to gently press down on the fingers and wrist. Step 3. As you do this, take a deep breath in. Step 4. Exhale and release the pressure while allowing your wrist and fingers to extend. Step 5. Repeat, gradually increasing the pressure and range of motion as your forearm muscles relax. This technique applies SMRT principles to the forearm and wrist muscles, promoting relaxation and improved flexibility. It's important to note that these simplified examples are not a substitute for professional SMRT therapy, and they may not be suitable for all individuals or conditions. SMRT is a specialized technique that requires training to be used effectively and safely. If you have specific muscle concerns or conditions, it's advisable to consult with a trained SMRT practitioner or healthcare professional for proper guidance and treatment. In conclusion, the spontaneous muscle release technique offers a promising and innovative way to address muscle tension and discomfort. By working with the body's natural mechanisms, SMRT empowers individuals to experience true relaxation and relief. The evidence, from clinical success stories to scientific understanding, underscores its effectiveness. So, if you're seeking a holistic approach to muscle release that respects your body's wisdom, SMRT may be the solution you've been looking for. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit from this incredible approach to muscle health. Stay tuned for more enlightening content right here on MedTube. Thanks for watching MedTube. Please check out our other videos and stay healthy.